What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel with Jehas. Today I'm going to review CCleaner, which if you watch my last video you know what is this about. It's a cache cleaner app. It helps you to save storage and cleaning trash inside your handphone. So now let's check it out. This is what it looks like in the inside. Okay, let's wait a little bit more. I'm going to explain in the surface what you will see first. They will show you the usage space, the free space, and there's also some another button, but I will explain them later. Now, let's click this quick clean and see what happened. Checking for junk files. This is exactly what this app do for you. Okay, it works. I thought it wouldn't work because I'm recording right now. But yes, it works, thanks. And that's good. I'm going to show you what we get after they analyze your storage. Okay, just a little bit more. Quick clean review. Here you can see they will give you the choice what you want to let hidden cache, visible cache, residual files. Here you can see automatic cleaning disabled and there is a golden star mark. Yes, what you are thinking about is correct because I use the free version. I don't pay for the premium, but okay, let's just look in the next. Hidden cache. Here they show how many hidden cache you have, visible cache, residual files, thumbnails, and all of this trash which is make your storage look so full. And here's also empty folders, clipboard, and look at this. For your consideration, there is update, and this is, I will say that YouTube offline media secretly, I will say that YouTube offline media secretly filling your phone. And see, I have more than 500 megabyte here. No wonder why it's almost full. And here's also your downloads, my old downloads here. A lot of PDF or offline pages as always. If you want to clean them all, you just simply click finish cleaning. Now I won't click this because if I click this, I will stop recording and this video will be lost and my effort will be useless. So now let's move to the another one. Now let's click this boost. See what it does. Awakened apps. Here, these are the apps which is running in the background. They secretly stealing your RAM and battery. And here, see how many? I got a lot here. You click that kill 29 apps. It's not necessary kill, I thought. And they will shut it down. They won't running and now you click that kill 29 apps. Even for me it's not necessarily to use kill. But just simply click it and they will close all of the apps which is running in the background and you will have more RAM especially if your phone have like only 1 or 2 GB RAM. This will be really good. But once again, I won't click it here, because if I click it, this video is going to be lost somewhere. Okay, next on the maybe I choose media first. Media overview. Here you see I have 10 audio, 18 videos, and 569 photos. Not much, I guess. And here they will analyze which is the similar photos, bad photos, sensitive photos, which is maybe you just take photos with your friends, there is your face or maybe your house, and old photos which is I don't need it anymore. I will delete them later. Optimizable. What is this optimizable for? Optimizable is just mean to like zip or you're making your photo smaller, so it won't really take much space for one photo. And folders, this is how much space every folder take, they show you. And large video, this is the large video. Usually if they are above like 50 megabyte, like they take so much space, you can delete them all. Just click at one of these and you can delete all of them, or maybe the one you select. Let's try with similar photos. Here you can see the similar photos I have, maybe from game and film. If I click this, see, and click this delete 2 photos, both of them will be deleted, but I still need it, so it's not necessary. The media section done. Let's go to apps right now. Just like what it says, it shows how many apps you install and how many app data they have, and here is they also what I like, showing the system apps and 70% of storage. See, I'm not much of a person which is saving much photos unnecessary after and after I upload one of them, or maybe in Instagram or somewhere else, I will delete them. Trainers, this is the interesting part, which is you need to know about this. Which apps using most of your data, taking most of the storage, and consuming more battery. And see, this is 3 of them is the same. Yes, that's my online game, so yeah, completely normal. And this is how many, they also count how long you use your phone. This is only 6 hours, 10 and more, you can see here. And they also showed your least used, most used and unused apps. They count it for several days, maybe a week or month. I don't really understand for that one. And running 29 apps. This is exactly just the same with the boost. They are going to shut them down. And growing. This is the interesting part. The growing means like the app is just getting bigger and bigger from day to day, and they show in the last 1 week how many megabyte they've added. But I just updated my online game. Why it's YouTube is the number 1? I don't know. Notifying. This is apps which is give your phone a lot of notification and many more. Apps overview done. Let's get to the next. This is tips. It do like the same like for the quick clean, the analyze first and calculating your scan. Oh, so fast, I don't even have time to speak. And this is, the feature is not so different from the 3 different features I've explained it before, but it's really fast and only in one, and you click you can click these tips and you can uninstall all of them and see the details for stop and quick clean, and this is just really easier, much simpler than the previous. You can just click this and delete these things you don't need. There is tip 1, tip 2, tip 3, tip 4, tip 5. It's always been 5. Even before I updated this app. Let's move to these 3 strips right here in the left corner. Let's click it. Yes, finally it's showing up. There is CCleaner Pro, remove ads, automatic cleaning, battery saver, and these are the extra features you get if you use the premium account, but I don't. And here is the general. They are just like the same as the, you see this, boost media apps tips, that's the same. And recommended, this is also their apps, which is, they just basically promoting their own apps to looking for more potential user. And vote optimizer, this is exactly the same with what media does. Cloud transfers, yes, this is that one I said before. Yes, in my video, not in this one. You can upload your photos to cloud storage and then you can see them and save them again if you need them, so it's very good, especially if you have enough data to pick up. I'm sorry for that. Security tips. Basically, if you click the security tips, they will show this mobile security system info. If you hardly find of what Android is this now, is this update, is this even right? And you want the easy one and you want the easy access, just click this system info. And settings, this is you can setting this app from this one, help and feedback. You know what this is, like some kind of Q&A or FAQs for users. If maybe you struggle to use this app or you want to know more, you can click this help and feedback about this app. They are going to show you, are you using the premium one or the free one, or even and also what version is this, or maybe if you need to update it. Okay friends, that's all. I've explained the whole feature. Okay, maybe the upgrade, this is what is this yellow button do. If you want to pay the pro subscription, just click that one and yeah, you get more features for certain time. And that's it friends, that's all from me. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!